Here's how you can make a DESI GHEE ramen.
Flavor bomb. Let's melt some ghee, cumin seeds, onions, green chili, salt, mix.
Alright, let's spice this up with some chili powder, ground cumin and coriander, dried fenugreek.
No, you gotta rub those between your hands, bro.
I never learned that. Why?
Better. Release the oils.
Ginger, turmeric, and garlic powder, and some tomatoes, and a splash of water.
Got the good stuff here. What is this?
Oh wait, this is the cheese one. Which one do we have?
I want all the sauce.
Okay, so I guess this is a cheesy DESI ramen.
All of it. Flavor Town Central.
Oh wait, I think this is the hot one.
Yeah, all of it.
Man, you can't handle spice, can you?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Not all of it, man. It looks deadly.
Hot.
Is it hot? Yeah.
It's wonderful.
Is
it
it hot,
tastes
hot
like
or
barbecue Cheetos.
As the masala cooks, let's boil our ramen noodles. There we go.
More ghee. Ghee!
So we only have one egg. You can't ruin the yolk.
Let's see. Ooh. Pinch of salt.
Lastly, even more ghee.
More.
How much more?
Less.
You sure?
Yeah, bro. This is one portion.
Cumin seeds, a bit of onions, and some thinly sliced garlic. How is it over boiling? I've never seen oil do that before. And a bit of Kashmiri red chili powder.
Let's go ahead and add our noodles with some of the water.
And now we can assemble with our noodles, fried egg, chopped cilantro, and our tarka, which is the fried ghee with the spices and everything else in it. And my mic wasn't working for this last shot, but I gave this a 8.8 out of 10, and Chef here gave it a 10.2 out of 10. It's really good, but it's also quite fatty.